How to trim videos on an iPhone. Trimming a video is one of the most basic edits you can perform. While you can trim before you share in some apps, like Instagram, you can also easily do this in the Photos app. Follow these steps to trim your video. Open Photos app on your iPhone. Select the video you want to trim. Tap Edit in the... You should now see a play button and the video's timeline. Use the arrow on the left to change the video's start point, or the arrow on the right to change the video's end point. Tap the play button to preview your edits. When you're happy with your edits, tap Done, and then choose Save Video or Save Video as New Clip to duplicate. Video editing in an iOS is non-destructive, meaning if you choose Save Video, you won't permanently lose any footage. At any time, you can re-edit the video to include the footage you trimmed. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.